This is a video news release for Clive Owen LLP. Broadcasters and other media platforms can use the content. It's copyright free, but make sure it's set in appropriate context. Ian Jarvis joins me. Ian has been appointed as a partner at Clive Owen LLP. Ian, congratulations. Tell us about your new role.
Thank you very much. Yes, like I say, I've been appointed partner and I'm in charge of our managed services team at Clive Owen. My specialism is in financial systems and management accounts. I also look after my own portfolio of clients and regularly attend their board meetings.
So to the uninitiated, maybe your clients and people who are not in accountancy, what does managed services mean?
Sure. So our managed services team are there to either run, support or improve your finance function. In many cases, we actually end up doing all three. In practical terms, we offer quite a wide range of service levels, which can be anything from running your core bookkeeping on a day-to-day basis, producing management accounts, management information packs, which are typically monthly or quarterly. We also work with your staff either in a training, support or review capacity, and then right up to a full virtual finance officer role with regular cash flow and profit and loss budget reporting.
So this is really, I suppose, outside the normal accountancy services that an accountant practice would offer.
Absolutely, yeah. We really aim to differentiate by getting accurate management information to businesses much more quickly. If you compare that to a traditional accountancy service, which often revolves around the year end, that can sometimes be 6-9 months after the event. Whereas really because of the speed of the internet and cloud-based technology, we can deliver a lot more service remotely. And that, like I say, is more accurate, more quickly, often more cost effectively, ultimately enabling the business to make much more informed decisions based on near real-time data. And that's the focus of the team.
Now, you've become a partner, but you've become a partner by a slightly different route to many people who are accountants.
Yes, that's right. My degree was actually in computing. I started my career computer programming and database development. As part of that, I did a year in industry with a firm of accountants, and they eventually tempted me back there. And that's how I ended up becoming a chartered accountant. So I've got a bit of a hybrid of chartered accountancy knowledge and computer programming skills. Ultimately, that means I'm in a good position to look at people's financial systems and really understand the impact of the flow of data, both financially and operationally. So my favourite part of the role is when we get to go out into businesses, review their current finance function and systems, offer recommendations and improvements, and ultimately then aid in implementation and training on new systems. And the way the cloud technology is developed, if you look at some of the workflow and the stock and MRP systems that are available today, they're substantially cheaper than they would have been 10, 15 years ago, which makes them much more accessible for SME. And in a number of cases, we've been able to go into businesses and help them get rid of aging or expensive servers at the same time as actually improving their efficiency.
So it really does dovetail in, I suppose, to the more traditional service that an accountancy practice offers.
Absolutely, yeah. And because we work so closely, and management accounting is the real core focus of the team. So we are much closer with our clients on a more regular basis. Really allows us to identify other opportunities, whether that's tax with capital allowances, R&D claims. We've had quite a few grants opportunities that we might have otherwise completely missed that we've helped clients obtain. And for things like corporate finance and fundraising, particularly with things that are at the moment, having up-to-date management information really aids that process and allows us to focus on adding value.
Well, Ian, your career's on the up, and I'm sure your clients will be on the up if they are able to take advantage of that service. Thank you very much.
Thank you.